think I'm actually gonna be able to make some content today, boys. So I'm loading up a new tune that my tuner sent me. Well, it looks like it's already done. So I'm actually gonna go put it on my car and then go to a car meet. So yeah, we're in luck. Letting the ST warm up. Got the access port right here. Gonna load up a new revision that I got for my tuner, see how it performs, and then head over to that truck meet. One thing I want to note real quick is that this car has been idling for 30 fucking minutes and it still hasn't warmed up. Look at that. Oh my god. So the new tune is getting loaded up. I don't know why this camera has issues focusing sometimes. Like, look, like that's fine, and then this isn't. I don't know, I still gotta fuck with it, I think. Yeah, it's getting loaded up right there. The new revision is on. I'm gonna let this shit warm up. Probably not gonna warm up anytime soon, which is honestly kind of a good thing. That means things are working properly. But yeah. Is that a tomato? Looks like somebody got their fucking Tomei back on.
I'm gonna shout him out.
He sold it and he just got back. Damn. That sounds good.
Let me hear your car right quick.
Oh, you want to hear it? The intake. So we're going to the meet right now. Rocha got his Tomei back. When I say that, it's because he sold it, but he got it back. I love the turbo sounds. Pulling up to the meet right now. A lot of trucks, obviously, because it's a truck meet. It's a nice Corvette, damn. Looks like some more trucks pulling in. Tomei guy. Sick. Looks like a good amount of trucks. Damn, that shit's fucking annoying. Anyways, the new revision kind of seems slow right now. What was that? Oh, you know what? No, I parked wrong. Yeah, but he did too. That's why I did. Want me to fix it? Or are you fine like that? No, it looks fine. Damn. That shit sounds sick. Rocha Z. No, you still got it. Hey, you messed up the parking line.
I know.
Because you parked like that, I had to park like this, and now look, he can't even get out of his car. Yeah. Holy shit. Sleepers? What's up, fool?
Why is that car so loud?
I don't know, dude. Tell me why.
Big turbo?
I don't know, possibly.
Big turbo right here for sure.
Yeah, it's a big hybrid turbo right there.
You're fine.
You'll be fine. going right now? I'll go. So I left the meet because it was kind of dead, but check out this cool car right here. What is that? It's got some fat rear tires on it. What is that? Is that an NSX?